Praise the Lord. Are you a person that's struggling with posting your first video on YouTube? Well, in this video, I want to share 5 tips with you that's going to help you to get started on YouTube to make content for the right audience. And we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Walter Strong, the host of the Huddle YouTube channel, where our goal is to help working class content creators like yourself to grow your channel, get more views, and make money online. I came across an article a couple of days ago that talked about in 2024 that over 20 million videos were uploaded each day during that time. These videos were consistent of YouTube shorts, long form content, horizontal videos, and podcast. What's interesting though, with that amount of content being posted in one day, it got me to thinking, what is the percentage of people who never post their first video because they're concerned if people are ever going to find their video? And if they do find their video, will they even click on it and watch it? And so as a result, because of that mindset and that perspective, they never post their first video. Well, here's 5 tips to help you get past that mindset that you believe that if you post a video, no one will watch it. Tip number 1, I need you to define your goals about the videos that you want to post on YouTube and the channel that you want to launch. Define your goals if it's about making money online, if it's about increasing leads for your business so that you can end up getting sales, or having a side hustle where you can have some extra income for yourself by making money online. When you define your goals, you will have clarity about the type of video on what you're making and who it's supposed to reach. Tip number 2, get clarity about your niche audience. You want to have a clear understanding about the ideal target audience you want your videos to reach. You don't want to just make random content, variety content that 1 minute it's tech videos and then next week it's going to be about gardening. Have clarity about the target audience that your content is for, the ideal tribe that you want to connect with, and have an understanding about their pain points and how you can answer specific questions that your audience may have through the videos that you post on YouTube. Tip number 3, work on your video package. Now, you'll see on YouTube sometimes videos about how to get more views, how to grow your channel, and how to get more subscribers. But that shouldn't be your focus as a working class content creator who's just starting out. You want to work on your topic, your content ideas. You want to work on your title, on how you can make them concise and compelling so that when a viewer sees the video, the content idea, the topic, the title, and the thumbnail will grab their eye attention to say, I need to click on this video and watch it because it's addressing a pain point in my life, or it's providing me some form of entertainment that I need to have from a long, stressful day. Tip number 4, you want to even consider using a script. Whether if you're going to use a full script where you're going word for word from the beginning of your intro to the end of the video, or using bullet points. Whatever way you choose to use this script, use it so that it can keep you on point so that you don't veer off and cause yourself to end up having a whole lot of fluff that is not relevant and doesn't add value to your viewers. And then finally, you want to be authentic. You want to be yourself. You want to be able to connect with your audience by looking at them on the camera as if your viewer is face to face with you, having a cup of coffee with you on a Saturday morning, and you're sharing a message that you truly believe that will address a pain point in their life and add value to them. And so the question that I have for you, my brother or sister, is this: which of these 5 tips that I've shared with you that you need to start implementing in your content creation journey? Let me know in the comment section. And if this video's added value to you, do me a favor. Click the like button, which is the thumbs up. Share this on your favorite social media platform and subscribe to the Huddle YouTube channel, where our goal is to help working class content creators like yourself to grow your channel, get more views, and make money online. YouTube is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So learn to pace yourself. And as you create videos to add value to your viewers, you'll get better with each video that you post. Hey, check out this video that YouTube is going to show you next, or I'll see you in the next video.